Hello, I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 English Language Objective Past Question 11 under Test of Orals Section 1. Now the instruction is from the words lettered A to D. Choose the option that has the same vowel sound as the one represented by the letters underlined. So we are looking for the option that contains the same vowel sound from the letters. So the word given to us is flout, and the underlined letters are O and U. So option A is follow, B plow, C light, D once. So first I will transcribe the word given to us, flout, so we can see the vowel sound represented by the underlined letters. So flout is transcribed this way. So this is flout. And then you have option A, which is follow. Follow. So this is follow. Option B is plow, transcribed this way. Plow. Option C is light, transcribed this way. Light. Option D is once, transcribed this way. Now the vowel sound represented by the letters O, U is this sound, ow, and we see that sound is found in plow right here, and plow is option B. Therefore option B, which is plow, is the answer to this question. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.